Hi guys, it is Duwana here, your fairy sosis. I'm just kidding. I just found a flower and I'm using my loop turner and all right, so we're gonna get started with April fabric haul. I'm so excited. I have a lot of good fabrics for you. So here we go. Whoa! It worked! I was just joking. Like, I didn't even expect it to work. All right, okay. So maybe I am a fairy sosis. All right. All right, so let's get started. All right, so this is Minerva fabric. I'm so excited about this because it is florals. You guys know I love florals, especially in the spring and summer. So I cannot wait. This is also giving me like drawing vibes, like someone drew this. Like, look at that. Look at this. It looks like a drawing, doesn't it? Look like a drawing. Someone drew a leaf right on. It's like someone drew a leaf on top of a piece of fabric, you know? And look at that. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow. You guys see that? So pretty. Look at the details of that. And the colors are so vibrant. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely going to make a dress with this. I'm not sure exactly what dress yet, but I do know I'm going to make a dress. So let me fold this. You guys know my folding is terrible. All right. Oh, wait. I think I can I try this again? Will it work? I'm going to try. It worked! I can get used to this. Let me tell you how I can really get used to this. All right, you guys, so this is another Minerva.com fabric, and I love this color. It's like an orange, burnt orange color maybe. And yeah, look at that. Florals again. You guys know I love florals. I'm probably going to have like 100 dresses at the end of the season because if any floral fabric I see, I just want, so I can just make dresses with it. And this is actually giving me like Hawaii vibes. Like, I just want to go and like what's that dance that they do? Like, I don't know what it's called, but that I want to go to Hawaii and wear this like dress that I'm gonna make with this. But you know what I find really cool about this fabric? Check out the leaves, like specifically the black leaves. I've never actually seen that on fabric before, but I think that's pretty cool. That's really cool. And just like this one right here, also like the black leaves, that's really wow. I've never seen that. You know, it's not like a natural leaf color like green or yellow. It's cool and it looks very exotic. And then I feel like if I were to like use buttons or something, I would use like maybe yellow buttons or gold buttons, like just make it stand out a little bit. And I think that would be really cool. So yeah, I think it's so pretty. All right. Okay. So let me get my wand, my floral wand, and get another fabric. Hey, wait a minute. Maybe it's because I said boop. Do you think so? Okay, let me not do boop anymore. Yay, it worked! So it was the boop. Don't say the boop. I don't even know why I would say boop. Anyways, so I have here melanated fabrics. You guys, I love melanated fabrics. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys could just feel this fabric, I wish I can just like pass it to you over the screen so you can feel it. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. All right, so take a look at this fabric. I want you guys to see it really well. Look at that. Like the colors, honestly, the color combination alone is amazing. I feel like I want to wear with these some like white pumps, like open toe pumps, like because of, you know, the white fabric here. I think I can do either white or like a goldish yellow, or purple. I feel like, oh my gosh, I'll have to wear this like at least five times this season and just try all different colors of shoes and accessories because I think it will look great with everything. And I love the design on it. Like, look at that. Wow, this is definitely giving me summer vibes and I cannot wait. I want to wear like, for as far as like a bag, I want to wear like a canvas bag with it or something. This is like giving me like, I want to go to the beach vibes. Like, oh, I love it. But like, not like a regular beach, a cool beach, you know? Yeah. like somewhere in Miami. But yeah, I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I can't wait to make my dress with it. Again, I don't think I'm making anything other than dresses. Actually, I'm kidding. I'm probably not going to make dress with like everything, but with my fabric haul, but definitely lots of dresses. All right. Oh, I'm almost done. I'm so sad because I'm really getting the hang of this, this wand thing. All right, let's go for it. Okay, you know what? I gotta remember not to say boop. I keep saying boop. Boop does not work. I gotta remember that. All right, let's go. Perfect. All right, so this is another Melanated Fabrics. Guys, again, I wish you can feel this fabric. Like, let me tell you, I would honestly just use it as a blanket, but I probably should make something with it. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is a solid knit, so it has slight stretch to it, but this color, you guys, this color. Oh. And also I love that it's not too stretchy. I love fabric with a lot of stretch, but mostly for activewear. So this is more like this is gonna definitely make a great spring and summer dress. So I'm super excited about this. Or I could even do a two-piece. So it may not be a dress. It might be like a pants and a crop top, maybe with some frills. Something like that. I don't know. But I know it's going to be fire. But yeah, this is like it's not like yellow. It's like an olive green, but still yellow, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain the colors. I need to be better at my colors, but I just love it. All right. And last but not least, let's make this one count. Come on. I'm so nervous. What if it doesn't work? Then I can't show you my last fabric. I really can't. Okay. Don't say boop. Don't say boop. There it is. All right. So I love this. So I got this actually a few weeks ago, and this is corduroy fabric from Melanated Fabrics. And oh my gosh. All right. So y'all, corduroy does not discourage me from making a spring and summer outfit. So I already have plans for this. So McCall's came out with some new patterns, and I scooped it up. I don't need my magic wand for this one, but I found this skirt and this top, and I think that it could make a great combo because, you know, this ties up in the front, and then this one zips up from the front if you do the zip up. Does this one zip up too? I don't know. Does this one? Yes, this one I think has a zipper option. So I might do the zipper options for this and use my corduroy fabric for it. But I absolutely love it. I actually want to make every single view of this skirt. I remember these skirts. I used to wear a lot of these back when I was in high school and middle school. But I haven't really seen like ones that I really, really like to wear. So I'm excited to make this with the corduroy fabric. I think it's going to look so good. So if you guys want to like see this, oh my gosh. It has like stripes on it, but it's also really soft. It's like nice and stiff and sturdy and strong. But it's like perfect, especially if I'm like making a corset or these type of pants. Gives it a nice structure, you know? So I'm so excited to make everything that I just showed you guys. This is like one of my favorite hauls so far because of the fabrics. I'm just so excited. I think spring just makes me feel even happier. The sun's out. I'm getting more vitamin D. You know, I'm so excited for April's fabric haul fabrics. So I will see you guys. I have my wand here. I don't need it anymore because I'm done, but I hope you guys enjoyed me as a fairy sew sis, and I will see you later.